Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox Shopco's mystery box for 100 rupees and plus a bonus international parcel. So let's hop in. So guys, these are the parcels that I have. I think they'll be in a box, but they're not. This is the mystery box, and on the side you also have the international parcel. So first of all, this is the big one. And that is the international parcel. You can see the item is from Hong Kong. And I don't know why there's an DTDC label in it. It's from cheapwatch.cn. I don't know if it is fake, but I also had unboxed it once and it was not. I think this will be fake. I'm a little fishy because of the packaging. First of all, let's move on to the smallest one and unbox it. I don't have any fancy knife, but I'll be using the scissors for a entertainment. Okay, let's cut this up. I'm pretty surprised to know that there was no protection for the parcel. That's very bad of Shopclues. And I'll be sure that must be broken. Okay. We can see the OK stand there. And I think this is a Volt Soldier mobile holder. This is it's a mobile stand. You click the mobile in between of it. Very nice. Actually, I don't like the quality. It's very poor quality plastic material. So now let's move on to the second smallest parcel. It's also from Shopclues. Never been unboxed. Okay, that was pretty easy. Oh, I remember this. I have seen the advertisement on this on YouTube. You just plug it somewhere, sleep while watching movies on your mobile device and something like that, I don't know. But all of these for 100 rupees, really very cheap. Now let's move on to the third smallest parcel and box. Not small, a bit big. And this is a toothpaste dispenser. Nice. All of these has a low quality cardboard and does not have any bubble wrap protection or thermocol or anything like that. I'm very disappointed at this. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, we have a small bit of protection. Really nice and stylish looking paste dispenser and toothpaste and toothbrush dispenser. Now let's move on to the big one, the big boss. You can see it's never been unboxed, so let me cut and open it up. This also doesn't have any protection. I think this is the worst one. Let's open it up. You see, the seal is in there. I never broken it. Oh no! There's a broken piece! What the hell, Shopclues? You sent me a broken product. I always say combine on this. Let me contact the seller. I'll connect the server. You can see it is the site is destroyed. Almost the site is almost destroyed, and this guy doesn't give any protection to us. I will apply for a refund or replace. You don't know how I feel when I found that this is broken. You can see this is the shipping label. If you're any employee of shop, please apply for a refund on me. You can contact me on that phone number or email. So now let's move on to the international parcel. I'm pretty sad at this moment. I don't wanna be sad anymore. So let's cut it up. I think this is real. I got this for 150 rupees. It's an Timex watch which cost around 7,000. I was pretty amazed at the deal, so I bought it up. It took almost a month to deliver to me from Hong Kong. Let's unbox stuff. Whole bunch of bubble wrap, and I'm surprised to see that there is no customs decoration label. Maybe it is an unchecked product. Okay, let's unbox stuff. No damage. The box is looking new. Okay, on the back side it is written as 7k rupees. Whoa! I bought it 150 for 150 rupees. That's nice. Let's cut it up. It's a weird seal. I've never seen a seal like that before. Pretty hard. Oh my goodness. Is this a real seal? Let me know in the comment section below. Oh my goodness. How will people unbox this stuff? Sorry for the blur. Oh my goodness. What is this? Okay, I got it, I think I got it. Let me just focus. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a seal like that. Is this the first rank watch? I think it's a fake one. Oh my god, did I get scammed? I don't wanna send anymore. Oh my goodness, why the hell is a race brand on the first rank box? Oh my goodness. This is a race watch. This is not a first rank original one. Guys, cheapwatch.cn. I'm very disappointed at you. Give me an original item. I should apply for a refund or a replacement. Let me go now. I'm very disappointed. But all of that label and warranty things are real on it. That's what I'm amazed at. How did these guys get these things? Oh my gosh. And see, that's a real Timex labels. Guys, let me go. Leave me alone. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you there.